What's up, guys? It's 420 Trading here, and Trulieve Cannabis, they reported their fourth quarter financials and total year of 2018 financials today. They were supposed to announce it tomorrow pre-market, but I guess they decided to show it today, so let's take a look at it. Now the headline is saying Trulieve maintains American cannabis operator revenue leadership with $35.9 million in Q4. Now that is a lot because they grew from 28.3 million in Q3 2018 to 35.9 million in Q4 2018. So that's that's a huge gain in my opinion, and they established that number one revenue maker in the US so far. And just keep in mind, they only operate in Florida. They have that monopoly in Florida, and imagine if they expanded into other states. Now, I know that they're working on establishing a footprint in California and I believe Massachusetts, but they don't have revenue coming from that yet. So this is all money coming from Florida. So just wait and see when Trulieve acquires like licenses in other states, they're gonna have top revenue. So adjusted EBITDA increased from 12.6 million in Q3 2018 to 15.2 million in Q4 2018. For their full year 2018 financial highlights, they recorded a revenue of 102.8 million. That's a year over year revenue growth of 419%. That's pretty huge. And adjusted EBITDA of 45.6 million or 44.4%. And let's see, their 2018 highlights, they began trading on the CSE, Canadian Securities Exchange, entered into agreements to acquire 100% of Life Essence Inc. in Massachusetts and 100% of Leaf Industries LLC in California. They expanded truly branded products, partnerships, and number of Florida dispensaries to 22, opened a 55,000 square foot best in class GMP certified processing facility, bringing efficiencies and state of the art innovation to our Florida production. Now, the recent event highlights it states that favorable Florida settlement increases the potential number of Trulieve dispensaries to 14 above state cap. Approval of smokable flower in the state of Florida. Now that they have smokable flower, they have more product to sell and therefore generating more revenue. So very good for Trulieve and other MSOs operating in Florida. But it's very good for Trulieve because they have a monopoly in Florida. So yeah, 2018, they're focused on building a foundation to scale the business over the long term and made significant progress on Trulieve's core mission to create the preferred customer-centric brand in cannabis. In the fourth quarter, we demonstrated our growth through brand expansion and scale by increasing our dispensary footprint in Florida by 5 stores, adding cultivation and state-of-the-art processing facilities, onboarding strategic brand relationships, and making significant progress on our plans for growth beyond Florida with acquisitions in Massachusetts and California. So this is Kim Rivers, CEO of Trulieve. So 2019 will be a year of execution for us as we leverage our strong revenue growth and positive adjusted EBITDA. We will focus on innovating and delivering new products for our customer, such as smokable flower, edibles, and nano emulsions. We will cultivate new strategic partners as we recently demonstrated with Slang and Blue River. Finally, we execute on our plans for multi-state operation expansion. Now, I'm not going to get into details with these numbers. If you guys want, I'll keep this link in the description below so you guys can check it out for yourself. So yeah, their 2019 financial guidance. So the full year 2019 revenue and earnings guidance will be expected to grow 108% to approximately 214 million. So previously disclosed full year 2019 revenue growth guidance includes an expected increase of dispensaries in Florida, and execution on our multi-state expansion. Anticipate gross profit of approximately 145 million for 2019, or 68% of revenue before net changes in the fair value of biological assets. An adjusted EBITDA of approximately 92 million, or 43% of revenue, reflecting our continued leverage of scale and financial discipline. Now, they are hosting a conference call tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Time to discuss like their fourth quarter results, annual results, and also you can call in, ask some questions, and yeah, the link is right here. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about Trulieve Cannabis and their earnings. I think they hit the numbers. It's really good. They're showing signs of growth, especially that year-over-year growth, 419%. And the fact that they have a monopoly and only operating in Florida makes them very, very like dominant in that state. All they need to do is just expand to see that uh, exponential revenue growth. And yeah, those are my thoughts. And I want to know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.